What's up, tartlets? It's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to get easy natural makeup perfect for prom. I just did my neighbor's makeup last week, and she was very specific about what she wanted. She really wanted natural makeup. She wanted to look like herself. So I'm going to show you guys how to create natural makeup that'll still just be fun and a little bit more jazzed up for prom, but you'll still feel like yourself. See, when I went to prom, it was very different. I wanted like big hair, I wanted the loud dress with a lot of tulle and sparkles, and I wanted a lot of makeup on, and today it's like a whole different ballgame. So today's tutorial is going to be a little bit more natural. I am going to use lashes. If you don't want to use lashes for this look, if you're recreating it, you don't need to. I'll show you how to alter that a little bit. So, all right, let's dive in. All right, to prep my skin, I started with our Mermaid Skin Serum. My skin gets really dry, so I just need a nice hydrated base. Now I'm gonna do foundation, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of our Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. We're not gonna go too heavy because we wanna look a little bit more natural, a little bit like ourselves. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit, and then I'm gonna buff it in with our Shaper Contour Sponge. Now we're going to move into brows, and I'm going to be using our Busy Gal Brow in the shade Black Brown. We're just going to do a couple sweeps of this through the brow for like a nice, natural, soft brow. Now we're going to dive into our brand new Aspen Ovard palette. Look how pretty the packaging is. It's so stunning. We're going to pick up a little bit of this blush shade, Make You Blush, just a little bit. Then you're going to smile a little creepy, and you're going to hit the apples of your cheeks with the brush, softly stroking back towards the hairline. Next, we're going to pick up a little bit of that highlighter shade, Pure Soul, just a little, and we're going to tap the tops of our cheekbones. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of this shade, Heart of Gold, and we're going to apply this all over our lid. Now we're going to pick up a little bit of the shade Endless Summer, and we're going to pop this right into the inner corners of the eyes. Now I'm just going to apply a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. We're going to apply mascara first so you guys can see what it looks like if you're not interested in doing lashes, and then I'm also going to apply lashes afterwards for those of you interested. Now I'm going to apply a pair of our Tardis Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style Flirt. I'm just applying a little bit of our Tardis Pro lash adhesive in clear. Alright, tartlets, now it's time to apply your favorite Tarte lip. I'm going to be applying our Tardis Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Salty. And there you have it, tartlets. Easy, natural makeup, perfect for prom. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and until next time, take care, tartlets.